Well, folks, I think I did not explain myself well enough when I was talking about the different measurements from the center of this pipe, toilet pipe, to the rough wall. Mind you, I don't write anything. If I see something going on, I just hit record, and I know sometimes it'll cause confusion. I put a check mark on this toilet because it's dead at 12 inches from the rough wall. That's going to work fine. However, sometimes, let me move with my foot the tape measure back to 10 inches. All right, in that case, if the plumber orders a 12-inch rough toilet, that means the back of the tank will be in the drywall. We don't want that. Okay, so they make a 10-inch rough toilet. Now hear me close on this. From a 10-inch rough toilet to a 12-inch rough toilet, there is zero difference in weight, zero difference in height, zero difference in how much water is held. If you threw them on a scale, you would not be able to tell, only unless you flip them upside down. Would you see that the 10-inch rough toilet is made in the china, that the tube with the wastewater coming out would then go directly over this if it was a 10-inch rough wall. That's all it means. For example, this is very important to have options when you order your toilet. Say if you did a remodel. Say for instance, this was a real thin wall for like an office space or something, and then you converted it into, say, an apartment. Well, then you're going to put a ½ inch of sheetrock on there, then you're going to put, say, maybe tile or something. That's going to bring this wall further out. And if you had a 12-inch toilet, you would not be able to use it. You'd have to throw it away, and you would then order a 10-inch rough, and bingo, it's going to fit just fine. The tank is just going to have a nice little air gap between the finished wall of whatever material you use, how thick you go on your wall. This is just to give an options, so that way you don't have to move the whole darn wall just to keep one toilet. And apparently I made some confusion about that, where some people are thinking a 10-inch rough toilet is actually smaller than a 12. It has nothing to do with that. It is the china and where that pipe lines up with this floor connection when the finished wall is in. That's all it means. So I hope that makes a little bit more sense. But I checked this early because I can inform my plumber, hey, this one's good, order 12-inch china. Hey, this one is too close to the wall, so you need to order 10-inch china, or chip it and move it if you want to use a 12. I leave it up to them, but it's industry standard all over, so feel free to Google or YouTube anywhere of distances to rough in a water closet or a toilet, and you will find plenty of plumbers put videos up and speak much more clearly than I do about it.